showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms this morning. Gun showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms until midnight, then a chance of showers after midnight. Areas of fog after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall until midnight. Humid with lows in the upper 60s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Saturday, partly sunny with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the morning. With showers likely in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Likely high humid. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms until midnight.